What's up? It's your main man, Really Rails, and we back with another episode. Today we're gonna do a small bit of maintenance on the Camaro, so stay tuned. Hey, it's your main man, Really Rails, and we are about to change the air filter in my 2014 Camaro LT. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing that we want to do, we want to come in here. We want to get down here and open the hood latch. I'm going to open her up. It's hot out here in Memphis, so it's a little hot under the engine bay, and please excuse that because that is a shame. I need to clean that off. I'll get it here taken care of here soon. So this is the air box. This is where the actual filter is, and got looks like pollen maybe. I don't think pollen can get it under there, but maybe it can. Y'all let me know. So that's the air box. So I have the filter back here on my shelf. So I went with a STP filter right now. I'm gonna get a cold air intake probably within the next month or so. So I just went up to Autozone and I got the this STP filter. It wasn't bad. I think it was like 22 bucks or whatnot. So you know, something to hold me down until I get this cold air intake. I think I'm gonna go with K&N. They actually have a black one that I think I'm gonna get to throw in there. So let's go ahead and we're gonna get the top off of, we're gonna check the old filter out in just a second. All right, so the first thing that we wanna do is we actually wanna release these two clips on the end here. Be careful, of course, because it's always some heat surrounding this here, so just be careful. So if you just push them out, they'll release the top, and what you want to do is just kind of wiggle it off. I haven't personally seen this recently, but from just opening it, I could tell that it is beyond time to change my filter, and I feel so bad for my car. So if you can see that, you can see like how dirty that filter is. Definitely beyond time to change it. So that's how you know when it needs to be changed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you guys both of them, and you'll be able to see the difference. You can see the new one and you can see the old one. This is the new one, of course, and then you can see the old one. So definitely to get rid of this one, we're gonna actually just drop this one in there, which is pretty easy. Just turn it upside down, well, right side down, upside down, however you want to call it, and you're just gonna place it in there. You're gonna put this back on, make sure you line these clips back up. And you can just do one at a time, or you can do both of them. I had to get that back side on first, and it snaps right into place. And you're good to go, good to rock and roll. I didn't get too dirty, you see. You know what I'm saying? This is a quick job, so I just take this one, put it back in the old box, and you're good to go. So, you know, next time, you know, you change your oil, you know, make sure you do it then. That's preferably when I'm gonna start doing it. Like I said, I forgot last time. Please forgive me. We got this changed, and we are all good to go. So if you have any other questions about changing it, just let me know. So we've got everything snapped back in. Everything is tightly secured. Everything is good to go. I didn't get too dirty doing that because it's a very, very simple job outside of the dust that I allowed to get on here, which I cannot do anymore. So like I said, my bad on that, but we're good to go. We go ahead and drop the hood, and she is ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up, and I'm gonna actually just turn her around in the garage, but you know, just wanna start it up to make sure everything is good to go. Everything sounds good. Hear no issues or nothing like that. So that's always good. Gonna put it back in the garage the way I normally keep her. Everything still sounds good to go. So that is how you change the air filter in a 2014. And it should be the same. It should be the same in the 2010 to 2015 Camaro. So hope y'all enjoyed that. Hope you learned something. I'm up out of here. Your main man, Relly Rails.